How to reset or retry forgotten Hotmail password. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can reset the password of your Hotmail account. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open a web browser on your choice. And after that, in the address bar, simply type outlook.live.com and simply hit enter. And this will take you to the official Microsoft Outlook website. Once you are there, simply at the top right corner there is the option label signed in. Simply tap on that. Now in the next page, enter the email address of the Hotmail account you want to reset the password for. And then once you're done with that, simply click on next. Now on the next screen, you simply have to click on forget password option. And after that you will be redirected to the page where Microsoft asks for a different email address to contact you. So simply enter a recovery email address and the characters display in the CAPTCHA box. And if the CAPTCHA is difficult to read, click on new to generate different characters. And once you are done with it, simply click on next. And after that you need to check the recovery email you provided and look for an email from Microsoft containing a verification code. From there you simply have to copy that code from that email and paste it into the verification box on the Microsoft page. And once you're done with it, simply click on verify. And now you will be asked to fill in some personal details including your first and last name, your date of birth, and the country or region where you have created the account. You simply have to enter that information, and once you're done with it, simply click on next, and the Microsoft will ask you to enter any previous passwords you remember using for this account. And if you have used other Microsoft products like software, device, or subscription, check the appropriate boxes and provide details. And after submitting information, simply tap on next. Now, after submitting the information, the Microsoft will review your recovery request and you will receive an information within 24 hours letting you know if enough information was provided to recover your account. You simply have to click OK to finish and wait for further instruction from Microsoft. And that's it. Once you receive the email confirmation, follow the instruction provided to reset your password and regain access to your Hotmail account. With this, if this video was helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.